Hello, this is Jonathan Robotis, and today I'll be talking about custom small-scale automation solutions powered by Dynamixel. In today's rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape, it's become more important than ever to introduce automation into production processes at all scales of industry. But for many small and independent machine shops, automation can seem out of reach due to the prohibitive costs of cobot or industrial robot installation and integration. However, ROBOTIS Dynamixel actuators provide these shops a way to develop high-performance automation systems for their workflows at a fraction of the cost of most commercial robotic systems. An automation strategy utilizing Dynamixel actuators provides nearly infinite flexibility thanks to the modular nature of the Dynamixel platform. Instead of having to choose a robotics platform closest to your needs from a limited number of available options, Dynamixels allow shop owners to create the perfect robot for their particular process, thanks to the wide variety of actuators available and the ease of connectivity and construction afforded by Dynamixel's daisy-chainable design, diverse selection of hardware accessories, and the availability of extensive design documentation to assist in the creation of custom Dynamixel accessories. Harland Sharp, a world-leading manufacturer of automotive rocker arms for high-performance motorsports, has recently introduced a Dynamixel-based automation system to their production process. Their new automation setup utilizes two Dynamixel-based robotic arms designed by Trosson Robotics, in conjunction with a completely custom Dynamixel arm design in order to load and unload a workpiece into a milling machine from a gravity feed conveyor system. A comparative design utilizing other popular cobot platforms would cost upwards of $50,000, while this system can be implemented for as little as $15,000. Aside from the lower initial cost of investment, the modular nature of the Dynamixel platform simplifies maintenance of the system by allowing rapid replacement of any damaged components, as well as providing a simple path to upgrade or modify the Dynamixel system to accommodate any changes or upgrades to the automated process. Additionally, Dynamixel-based robotic arms can be used as a low-cost solution to tend to CNC machines, allowing users to automate even late-model CNC systems without requiring expensive integrated refit operations, allowing them to leverage the full production capacity of an entirely automated machine shop. With the ingenuity of independent machine shop owners, coupled with Dynamixel actuators' ability to provide precision movement, machine shops can automate cutting, bending, welding, and other production processes with ease, enabling increased production efficiency, quality, and consistency, rivaling even the largest shops. Additionally, ROBOTIS provides full design and interface documentation to simplify the process of integrating Dynamixels into custom automation solutions, as well as first-rate technical support to ensure that even first-time Dynamixel users are able to design their own successful automation system. For more information on these actuators, as well as any of ROBOTIS' products, check out the ROBOTIS e-manual for technical details. If you'd like to talk with members of the ROBOTIS community about your custom automation plans, stop by the official ROBOTIS community forum and say hi. For details about all of our open source products and frameworks, please stop in at the official ROBOTIS GitHub account. This has been Jonathan Robotis, and I look forward to building more with you soon.